His name's Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good afternoon. I received another box from my friends over at Elegiant. This is a brand new 10.2 inch ring light. This 10.2 inch ring light has an aluminum tripod stand too. That's 51, that can go up to at least 51 inches high in height. This is the EGL 06S. As you guys know, I've had quite a lot of ring lights that have been sent to me for review, and they're very useful for YouTubers, vloggers, people who eBay and stuff, and that they can take good pictures of their product with a good background and lighting. As you know, photography, product placement for listings on the internet, as well as YouTubing and vlogging is very important with the lighting. So that's why ring lights are so essential in today's social media. This is the 10.3. I've had something similar to this. I have the 6.3. I've got the 10.3 now, another 10 inch that I have, and I have a 20 inch as well. So I'm gonna have ample lighting. But I might give this to my friend Andy from Jericho, because he does custom fishing rods and he takes product pick photos for his Instagram. If you've ever checked out Anavat at Anavat Customs. That's my buddy Andy from Jericho. Anyway, this is the ring light itself. It's got the holder for your cell phone, right? And you can probably rig it for your GoPro, swivels. And it's got the controller attached to the USB input for power. You can stick it in your power adapter for your cell phone or something. Let me mount this for you. So here we've got another bag here, drawstring, tote, and this is the tripod. In the box is instructions. Get out of here! We don't need instructions. Forget about it. You can figure this stuff all out yourself. Just loosen this thing here. Loosen this. When you loosen that, you can extend the 3 tripods. The 3 tubes, if you will. And then you open this up like this. Loosen this a little bit. And then tighten. It is very lightweight, and it does stretch up very high. There's a remote control that comes with it too, that is Bluetooth interfaced, and you just basically pair that with your cell phone, and you can take snapshots or you can start your videos that way. There's a threaded hole here for the threaded shaft in here. And then there's a knob on there that you can turn to tighten it as well. It's very straightforward. You don't really need any instructions to figure it out. And there you go. So easy. This is what the remote control looks like. It could be a snapshot, right? Or you can press the button for video. And it just pairs very easily to your cell phone. Turn on Bluetooth feature. So this is my other Elegiant ring light. This is the 20 inch. I also have the 4.3, I believe, that clips on. In the back of my ring light, I have an input for power. This main thing is plugged into main power, but then you can add other ring lights to it. Like I have an opening right there for that. So I'm going to uncoil this and plug it in. So the cord here, like I said, has the high brightness plus sign, the low brightness minus sign. The middle one that looks like recycle, that's to change the color, the 3 colors, ambient, white, and bright white. And then the power button. So I'm just going to plug this into a USB input here. You can do it to your laptop computer, your desktop computer, or one of your cell phone power adapters. So there you go. Are you ready? So now you see the controller has the blue light on. I'm going to press the power button. And there you go. That's the ambient, I believe. You can change colors for white and then super bright white. Then you can change the brightness of it. Look at that. And then super bright. Isn't that cool? So that's the new 10-inch ring light from Elegiant. It sells for $32.99 on Amazon.com with free shipping. The link is in the description, and I'll be leaving links in case there's a promotional price or direct from Elegiant. So check it out if you're into YouTubing or vlogging or product photos for your listings on eBay. It's a very useful light, and it brightens up your garage or your studio or your room or whatever you need to have ample lighting for the right photography as well as videography. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's episode, this review of the Elegiant 10.3 selfie ring light on a tripod. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.